Today we're going to use Paul Klee's painting Cat and Bird as our inspiration for this artwork. I really like in this story, the book that we watched being read, that the illustrations and the story is really about what is behind this painting. So what is the story behind this painting by Paul Klee? And I thought that was pretty creative. When I get started, again, I want to draw big and fill the space, and then start adding detail. And this is going to give me some really fun opportunities to use color, similar to Paul Klee. Now that I have the drawing part finished, I'm going to add color. If you do not have a watercolor paint set, that's okay. You can use any kind of color that you would like. I'm going to use a watercolor paint set because I think that that's going to be a way for me to really try to mimic or to create these details with color that Paul Klee used. I think I need to add these whiskers before I do that. When I'm using watercolors, I need to make sure that I'm using my lighter colors first and my darker colors last. So it looks like I'll be using yellow, and then I'll use some orange, and then probably red, blue, and green. And again, I'm just having fun with the materials today and seeing what happens. Again, if you don't have watercolor set, don't worry, use any materials that you have. Sometimes the markers will work with some water. So I'll try that really quickly on the back here. So if I color a shape with a marker and then quickly with a wet brush spread this color out, I can make this a lot like watercolor. I hope you enjoy looking at Paul Klee's work. Do your best, and I look forward to seeing what you make.